Hi, if you want a quick breath practice to help you cool down in the summer heat, here's a great practice called Sitali. And it's a very simple practice in which you bring air in over your tongue and then exhaling it out slowly through your nose. So you stick out your tongue. You can either roll your tongue or just stick it out and breathe in. Slower the better, and then exhale through your nose. Repeat this as many times as is necessary. This is great for when it's hot outside in the summer, but it's also great if you're feeling cranky or irritable or just sort of like fiery for any reason and any season.